5 passenger branch lines diverge from the Great Western Main Line in the Thames Valley. We shall be travelling over those from Slough to Windsor and Eton Central, Maidenhead to Marlow and Twyford to Henley-on-Thames. However, we start with the Greenford Branch, which takes us to the spiritual home of the Great Western Railway, Paddington Station in central London. The route indicator means we shall be leaving via Line 5. There are an additional 2 platforms to our right for London Underground's Hammersmith and City line. Brunel would not only have been amazed by the proliferation of tracks and signalling, but also by the overhead wiring, electric traction being something that he could barely contemplate in his lifetime. The station is located on Drayton Green Road. The modern ticket office was opened in 1987, replacing the original of 1871 when the station first opened, some 33 years after the line itself. Set within a triangular junction is the Placer UK works. The company specialises in track maintenance machines. Although the GWR famously ran through here from 1838, it was a further 2 years before Slough got a proper station from which Queen Victoria made her first ever rail journey. The current station, 200 yards to the west of the original, dates from 1884. Windsor trains depart from Bay Platform 1. Notice the LED signal head following recent re-signalling from Didcot. The broad gauge branch line, largely provided for Her Majesty's convenience, opened in October 1849 during Isambard Kingdom Brunel's lifetime. Its construction had been vociferously opposed by nearby Eton College. This is the eastern chord of what was once a triangular junction with the main line. The Marlow Branch is 7¼ miles long and features an unusual reversal at Bourne End, the legacy of the one-time through route to High Wycombe. We begin our journey at Maidenhead in Berkshire, at a time when the station was being upgraded for electrification and the arrival of Crossrail. Outside peak times, the Marlow service is hourly. Trains depart from Bay Platform 5, adjacent to the relief lines. Until 2014, the platform retained one of the last Brunelian-style train sheds, its removal being part of the upgrade work which will provide Maidenhead with 4 electric trains an hour running right through central London. In 1854, at the time of opening, Bourne End was called Marlow Road. The name change came in 1874, a year after the opening of the Marlow Branch, to avoid confusion. A bay platform was provided to our left, making 3 in total. Today's layout stems from rationalisation in 1972, when the bay line was lifted along with the last siding. Buffer stops were installed, allowing the final closing of the level crossing and signal box. The section from Maidenhead to Bourne End is operated by single-line token, the section from Bourne End to Marlow requiring a train staff. The line continued across Station Road to High Wycombe, with intermediate stations at Woburn Green and Loudwater.